Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today I'm going to share an interesting video of fried rice and chicken, which is actually you can say a Chinese cuisine, but in my own style. So first of all, you have to take rice. Obviously, I have taken almost 1.5 cup of rice and set into boiling. Just add a little bit of oil and salt to taste. Rest ingredients are corns, chicken, mixed green onion, and separate also for rice and the chicken. Carrots in diced or shredded or grated, capsicum, and rest sauces like vinegar, soya sauce and chili sauce, salt to taste, and black pepper, which is the main ingredient, isn't it? We will drain the water of rice after boiling them like this, and then we will take rice utensil, add a little oil, then corns. These are raw corns. Then we will add shredded or grated carrots, basically grated. Then capsicum, more capsicums. Actually, I like them. You can add any other vegetable or even colorful capsicum, but I had only green one, so I just chose this color. Okay, now this is chicken powder. I love to add chicken powder in any Chinese recipe, and then we will put salt and pepper. A little salt because we have already added salt in rice and chicken powder also. Then we will mix rice. See the color. Now we will add this mixed green onion like this, and then cover our utensil with any lid. Now it's time to marinate our chicken. We will take 1 egg. We'll add this seasoning, which is peri-peri, and salt and pepper also. Why I like peri-peri in it? Because of its ingredient. I will show you later. Now mix this egg and all ingredients together. Then add chicken in it and marinate it almost for half to 1 hour. Can you see the red chili flakes? This is because of peri-peri powder. Okay, now we will add corn flour and then mix it with fork, and again keep it for hardly for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take frying fork, add oil. We will do deep frying, and now take chicken one by one and fry them until it becomes goldenish brown. See this how I am doing. I can't wait to have them. They are almost done. Now take them out and again add a little oil and white onion, part of from green one. Then add capsicum and carrots, the diced carrots. More capsicums, more carrots, more vegetable. This is why I love this cuisine, Chinese cuisine, because of vegetables and the fresh ones. Now we will put all the sauces and other ingredients like chili sauce, soya sauce, pepper, salt, and that seasoning powder, peri peri. I have added more vegetables and then chicken in it. Now mix them all together. See, our recipe is ready. I don't add the crumbled eggs in rice because my husband doesn't like it, so I keep it normal. Basically, I missed that part of peri peri seasoning powder ingredients. So these are the main ingredients like red chili, salt, onion powder, white pepper, oregano, mustard seed, thyme, cornstarch, sugar, vinegar, citric acid, and even lemon lime and peri peri etc. So these are the directions also. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care.